clean, that is. What is that? I got turbo in it. Oh my days. Come on, boys. So we are back with another video, and today's video I'm going to be heading to Copper Beach. I've never been there, but every Thursday they've got like a bike night or something like that. So I'm just on the way to meet a couple of the boys, and then from there we're going to be headed to Copper Beach, and I'll see you guys there. Come on, boys. Yeah, we're not far now, boys. Just gonna meet at this pub to get a drink or something. I don't know, usual stuff. Can't remember if it's this one. No, I think it's this one. Yeah, I think it's this one, boys. I just can't remember how you get in. I can't lie. But if it's that drive there, oh, is that some? Is that it? I don't know. No. Oh, no, I can see him. Come on, boys. I missed the turn. How you doing? You right? I'm done. Nice to meet you. How you doing? Yeah? Say, bro.
Yes,
alright, yeah, all good. How you doing, bro? All good.
I was watching your videos on YouTube.
Yeah, man.
Come on, boys.
Come on, boys. So, got another trace off and an R6 behind us. So we're just gonna head up to Copper Beach now. Meet one more person, I believe. And we're just gonna see what it's saying. I've never been. The boys are saying it gets really busy. So we're just gonna have to see. Traffic's looking a bit bad, but it's all good. We're on bikes, boys. We're on bikes. So we are here at Copper Beach. Couple of bikes here already. Oh yeah, empty tent, come on. Oh nice. Shit. Nice. Another empty tent. Oh yeah? Yeah, I'm looking at that. I'm coming back to see that. Yes. Yeah man, like I said, my first time coming here. So yeah, boys. I'm gonna pull up, watch some of the bikes they got here. That's clean, that is.
Tell you that not to keep telling kids stories.
Look at this, boy, just looking nasty. I won't mind something like this on the channel though. I like it, I like the colour and everything. Looking good. So yeah, we're just gonna get a drink and then we'll have a look around. Got a nice 10 there. KTM. What is that? I got turbo in it. Has that got turbo in it? I'm sure it has.
I don't know.
Bro, look, that's got turbo in it. Oh my days, look at that. Yeah, that's crazy. Yeah, I won't mind having on this though. Come on, boys. That's mad. Come on then, boys. We are going to be heading back home. A few of the bikers already left. I can't lie, I apologise, I didn't catch them leaving. Like I said, I'll just enjoy my drink. Just been chilling, boys. So yeah, if you're still here, I appreciate you lot watching the video. Come on. So yeah, not many bikers left. The R1's gone, I missed that. I wanted to show you guys, but it's gone. the turbo thing, and the boozer's gone. Got another tracer. Come on. So yeah, boys, we're gonna continue with the video. So everyone's gone home. I'm making my way home too as well. I don't think there'll be much going off right now. Like I said, it's one-man army thing. I may just go a different way, see what happens, see if I catch anything or anything like that. But right now, like I said, I'm just gonna go home, and it's only like what, 7:45. The time is still young, but it is what it is. It gets like that sometimes, but it wasn't too bad. I enjoyed myself. New place as well. I'm definitely gonna go back there. So we're just gonna have to see what happens towards the end of this video. Oh my god, the potholes in this country, man. Let's go over there. Well, never mind.